Is DIY PC building always cheaper?
Many believe building your own PC is always the cheapest option. While DIY builds can save money in some cases, the real answer is more complex. Factors like part selection, market fluctuations, hidden fees, and deals on pre-built systems all play a role. Let's dive into the realities behind this common myth.
Myth: component prices are always lower.
It's a common belief that buying individual components is always less expensive. However, prices for parts can vary due to supply shortages, demand spikes, and manufacturer markups. Pre-built systems sometimes benefit from bulk purchasing power, allowing companies to offer similar hardware for less than the total DIY cost.
The hidden costs of DIY builds.
Building your own PC requires more than the core parts. Don't forget the cost of tools, thermal paste, shipping, and potentially an operating system license. Mistakes during assembly can also add unexpected expenses. In contrast, pre-built systems often come ready to use, with warranties covering the whole machine.
Benefits beyond the price tag.
DIY building offers customization, learning opportunities, and upgrade flexibility. Tech enthusiasts may value the experience and ability to handpick each part. However, pre-built PCs provide convenience, support, and warranty coverage, appealing to those who prioritize ease and reliability over customization.
Myth versus reality. The final verdict.
Building your own PC isn't always the cheapest route. Sometimes pre-built systems are equally or even more affordable. The best choice depends on current market prices, your experience level, and your personal needs. Consider all factors before deciding which route to take for your next computer.